Is this your tent?
Yeah.
Hello?
Our stuff is not here yet.
Huh?
I can't wait. I hope we hear the lion.
There somewhere. Didn't see the baby for real.
He does. So he has these really big claws for climbing. They live up in the trees of South America, and they use those claws. I call them the bodybuilders of South America because they can climb up like no problems at all. It's incredible. And you notice that he was walking kind of turn his head around to see what's going on behind him, right? He's got this huge shell on his back. So it brushes up against things as he's tracking. So it kind of helps him to get a sense of his environment. Because just like Fernando, not the best eyesight. He's smelling everything right now, as you can see. And they also have these big ears.
Did you hear that? The bunny right there. It's a little baby bunny. Oh, there. See it? Mm-hmm.
Granddad, come here.
Some of our lovely animal care specialists, and they'll come and feed all of the rhinos.
Oh, they just coming in.
I wanna
Happy
see-
Mother's Day.
Let me see if they pet him.
Yeah, they come.
They'll definitely be hanging out here for a while. That's right.
So it looks like the baby can just go